In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import Chrome extension into Brave browser. By the end of this video, you'll have a Chrome Web Store extension installed and ready to use in the Brave browser. First, open Brave browser. If it's not already on your screen, click the Brave icon to launch it. Wait for the home page or a new tab to load so you can access the address bar. Next, go to chrome.google.com/webstore. Click into the address bar at the top, type chrome.google.com/webstore, and press Enter. This opens the official Chrome Web Store, which Brave fully supports for extensions. You should see the Chrome Web Store homepage with a search box and featured extensions. Now, search for the extension you want. Click inside the search box near the top left, type the exact name of the extension, and press Enter. When the results page loads, look through the list and click the extension you're looking for to open its detail page. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right one. Check the name, the publisher or developer, the star rating, and the number of users. This helps you avoid installing a lookalike or the wrong tool. On the extensions page, you'll also see a description, screenshots, and what permissions it requests. From here, click Add to Brave. The button is at the top right of the extension page. Before you click, make sure you're on the correct extension by verifying the name and icon one more time. When you click Add to Brave, Brave will fetch the extension from the Chrome Web Store and show a permissions prompt. Now, click Add Extension. A small dialog will appear listing what the extension can access, such as specific sites or browsing data. Read this list so you understand what the extension needs to function. If it matches your expectations, click Add Extension to confirm. Brave will download and install the extension automatically. This may take a moment depending on your connection. Once that's done, look to the top right of the browser for a brief confirmation. You may see a message saying the extension has been added, and the button on the Web Store page will change to show it's installed. In many cases, the extension's icon will also appear near the address bar. If the icon doesn't appear immediately, don't worry. Some extensions run in the background or only appear when needed. You can start using the extension according to its description on the Web Store page. If the extension opens a welcome page or a quick setup screen in a new tab, follow the on-screen prompts specific to that extension to finish its initial setup. If you change your mind later, you can always remove the extension, but for now, the installation is complete. To recap the process you just followed on your screen, you opened Brave, went to the Chrome Web Store, searched for the extension you wanted, clicked Add to Brave on the extensions page, and then confirmed by clicking Add Extension in the Permissions dialog. Those 5 actions import a Chrome extension into Brave the same way you would in Chrome using the official Chrome Web Store and Brave's built-in extension support. At this point, the extension is successfully installed in Brave and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.